So let's just see how we can use multiple useReducer hook in React. So previously we have created this counter with the increase, decrease and the reset button. And here you can see we have the counter. So we can increase the count, we can decrease the count, and also we can reset the count. So our counter is working properly. Now suppose we wanted to create another counter which will show the count too, and here also we have the increase, the decrease and also the reset button. Now if we want this counter to work independent from the previous counter, then we must have to use another state and dispatch. Multiple useReducer hook with a different state and the dispatch, because our new counter will work the same way as the previous counter, so we can use the same reducer and the initial state. Only the state will be different and the dispatch will be different, so that the new counter will work independent from the previous counter. So here we can show the count, state2.count, and here we must have to use the dispatch too. So here you can see we have two counters, and both of these counters are working independent of each other, and that is because they are using different state. Because their working is the same, so that's why we are using the same reducer twice. So there are multiple advantages of using multiple useReducer hook in React. So first of all, code will be simplified, and secondly, here we can avoid any kind of state merging. So because we are using multiple state to manage different counts, so we don't have to merge multiple state into one single object, which can complicate the state management. And thirdly, code reusability. So because we can use the same reducer logic across multiple state, which minimizes the code duplication. And fourthly, here we can improve code readability. So because we are separating the concern by using multiple states, so this way our code base will be clean and easy to understand. So these are the key advantages of using multiple useReducer hook in React. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.